Alright, so it looks like Google's not just showing up to the smartphone party this year. They're kicking the doors down, throwing glitter everywhere, and announcing, we're doing everything now. The Pixel 10 lineup isn't just about phones anymore. It's an ecosystem drop, and Google's clearly in their main character era. According to all the leaks flying around, here's what's coming. Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and yes, a brand new foldable, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's 4 flagship phones, each with its own style, storage, and attitude. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Starting with the base Pixel 10, you get storage options of 128 or 256 gigs, which is pretty standard, but the colors, that's where it gets fun. Obsidian, Frost, Lemongrass, and Indigo. It's like Google rated a designer's mood board. But the Pixel 10 Pro, that one's for the digital hoarders among us. It goes all the way up to 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. That's not a phone. That's a pocket hard drive. And the colors. Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Jade. Minimalist, but premium. Now the Pro XL is basically the Pro's bigger sibling with the same specs, same storage, same colors, just with more screen real estate. Then there's the show-off of the group, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This foldable's a bit more exclusive with just Moonstone and Jade finishes, but it also comes in the same massive storage tiers, topping out at 1 terabyte. So if you like flexing your phone at parties, this one's for you. And Google's not stopping at phones. Oh no, they're building a whole aesthetic now. Pixel Buds are getting a refresh in fun new shades like Hazel, Strawberry Iris, and Foglight. There's Unit Buds Pro 2 coming in sterling gray to match your Pixel phone perfectly. Then there's the new Pixel wireless charger, likely a next-gen Pixel stand. And the standard wired charger? It's getting a sleek, glossy makeover in something Google's calling rock candy white. Because why not make your charger look delicious? Now onto the Pixel Watch 4. 2 sizes, 41mm and 45mm, with both Wi-Fi and LTE models. Still no 5G, but let's be real, your wrist doesn't need gigabit speeds. Yet. The cases come in Lemon, Iris, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Obsidian. And the bands? Way more variety than before. Leather, woven sport, everything from fitness tracker to fashion statement. What's actually impressive this time around is how well everything ties together. Google's finally figured out how to make an ecosystem that looks and feels like it was designed by the same team, and not like a group chat with no admin. So yeah, the Pixel 10 series is more than just a phone launch. It's a full lifestyle package. From your ears to your wrist to your nightstand, it's all connected. And it all looks good. August could be the month Google steps out of the shadows and finally gets the spotlight they've been circling for years. So are you buying the Pixel Glow Up, or are you still holding out for something bolder? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I'll be here lurking. Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.